In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill serial numbers in Excel. If you're labeling rows, creating an index, or organizing tasks, these quick methods will help you number cells accurately and fast. Start by opening the Excel app and loading the sheet where you want your numbering. You can use a new workbook or an existing one. The process is the same. The first approach is the classic drag to fill method. Type 1 in the first cell where you want the sequence to begin, and type 2 in the next cell below it. Select both cells. This tells Excel you want a pattern that increases by 1. Now move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the selection until it turns into a small plus sign, the fill handle. Click and drag it down through the rows you want to number. As you pull, Excel previews the numbers so you can stop at exactly the right place. Release the mouse, and Excel completes the series, 3, 4, 5, and so on. If you prefer to fill an exact range without dragging, use the series tool. Type 1 in the first cell where the list should start. With that cell selected, go to the Home tab, click Fill, and choose Series. In the dialog, confirm you're filling by columns since we're numbering downward, and set the type to linear. Enter 1 for the step value so each number increases by 1, and in stop value, type the final number you want to reach, like 250 or 1000. Click OK, and Excel instantly fills the entire column from 1 to your stop value. There's also a quick shortcut when you already have data in the next column. Type 1 in the first cell and 2 in the next, then select both. Instead of dragging, just double-click the fill handle. Excel looks at the adjacent column with data and automatically fills the numbering down to the last row of that data. Keep in mind this only works if the neighboring column has continuous entries, so Excel knows where to stop. A few tips as you go: make sure the cells are formatted as general or number if you want plain integers. Avoid blank gaps in the adjacent column when using the double-click shortcut, and decide your endpoint in advance if you're using the series dialog for a long list. And that's it. 3 reliable ways to autofill serial numbers in Excel: drag to extend a pattern, fill a precise range with the series command, or double-click the fill handle to match the length of nearby data.